I was born August 14th, 1926 in Lomond, and was one of 5 siblings born to Ingol and Tilly Magnuson. I went to the schools in the Vulcan County, such as Burnetta, Armada, and in grade 11, rather than taking correspondence in Armada, I went to Milo. The following year, I was to Calgary for grade 12, and then I went to the normal school and got my war emergency teaching certificate, and later taught at Thorsby and near Enchant. During my grade 11 year at Milo, I stayed in the dormitory. Mrs. Mills was the cook, and I think there were 5 boys and 11 girls staying there. The boys were downstairs, and the girls were upstairs. There was no running water, and the biffies were outside, and at times you stood in line to get in. We took turns doing different jobs, like washing dishes, setting tables, preparing food, and we learned to take orders, learned to be kind and truthful, and above all, we learned how to get along with one another. On Friday, I would take my suitcase to the train station, and when I heard the train whistle, I was allowed to lead the class, physics, which I hated. Then run down to catch the train to go to Armada. It would be a 2-hour ride as they filled the train with coal and Milo, then stopped at Pageant for water, and sometimes they would shoot a rabbit on the way. The year at Milo was one of the highlights of my learning years. I encourage all students to be truthful and happy and to further their education, as you can never have enough education.